Hey, and welcome back to another Best Choice review. Are you looking to buy a robot vacuum and don't know where to start? Well, we got your back, since in today's video, we're going to be taking the two leading models by Roborock head-to-head to decide which is the one for your needs. By the end of the video, you'll have the answer. Although the most popular Roborock S7 was released this year and is already one of the top robot vacuum cleaners on the market, Roborock has just introduced numerous enhancements to the S7 series with the new model, the MaxV Ultra. These two models have a lot in common, which may easily confuse anybody on their quest for a new vacuum cleaner. So sit back and relax as we go on and give you a head-to-head comparison of the Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra and S7 Plus. For the most updated prices and further information, check the links in the description below. Before we start, please like the video and give the channel a sub. Let's get started. Round 1. Design. These two devices bear the same characteristics since they are from the same manufacturer, and more so, they lie in the same production series. Except for a few minor differences, they seem to be twins. They have the same height of 9.65 centimeters and width of 35 centimeters, and both these devices don't offer many options when it comes to color. The S7 is available in two colors, glossy black and shiny white, whereas the S7 MaxV is only available in black. Both include a LiDAR scanner at the top and a front-facing camera for enhanced navigation, as well as 3 buttons and an LED light indication in front of them. This indicator gives you the robot's current location in the house, or anywhere that you may be cleaning with the robot. For example, while charging or returning to the dock, the light becomes green, but when cleaning, it is pure white. So when considering the different elements of the design, the height is probably the most significant because you might have limited space to work with, and it might affect the ability of the robot to access certain points of the house. Robot vacuums with a lower height may clean under furniture more effectively since they can drive beneath cabinets or even the sofa. As mentioned, both models have the same device height of 9.6 centimeters and share an overall similarity in looks, which makes it a tie. However, the S7 Plus offers one more color version, so let's give this round to the S7 Plus. Round 2. Navigation. When it comes to navigation, both of these cleaning devices employ a slew of sensors to monitor their surroundings and generate maps throughout your home. Even in dim spaces, the LiDAR sensors perform well in avoiding obstructions while cleaning. You'll not have to worry about these robots hitting things around your house. However, the MaxV offers even better navigation capabilities thanks to the incorporated RGB camera and 3D structured light that improves the ability to see obstructions. And in this scenario, the Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra outperforms the competition since it can distinguish and avoid items autonomously without moving them. It'll go around them thanks to its enhanced vision. So the winner of this round is the MaxV Ultra. Round 3. Cleaning performance. Okay, this is probably one of the most important factors to consider about these two. The S7 Plus offers 2,500 Pascal suction power, whereas the Ultimate S7 MaxV Extreme has 5,100 Pascal suction power. But how does the difference affect the overall cleaning performance? Firstly, greater suction power means better cleaning. The S7 MaxV will be able to clean your carpet, removing tough, stubborn stains. The S7 Plus will be able to get the work done, but might have a harder time dealing with tough spots on the carpet, which leaves the cleaning title for the S7 MaxV. Secondly, if we delve a little further, the S7 MaxV super cleans somewhat better than the S7 Plus due to an upgraded floating brush and housing mechanism. It enables various amounts of movement while cleaning. Consequently, its brush and housing will form a stronger bond with the surface. Round 4. Mopping. At times, you might want a deeper or more thorough cleaning, and now that we finished cleaning, let's move on to mopping. The S7 Plus was a market leader, delivering superior mopping capabilities until MaxV Ultra was added to the equation. The mighty superstar MaxV Ultra has included more than just improved mopping architecture. When the robot returns to the port, the dock can automatically clean the mop. Even its distinct water reservoir for clean and wastewater makes the mopping more sanitary. To prevent wetting the carpet, both robots can immediately pull up to the mop to vacuum when they detect it. This adds the superstar MaxV another point in the already many points that it has garnered. Round 5. Extra features. Auto Empty Dock. Focusing on the Auto Empty Dock is something that may make or break your decision to purchase the S7 Plus. Because the S7 MaxV Ultra comes with a large trash collecting bin and separate water and dust compartments. Though they can both pour all the trash into the dock during cleaning, the auto mop cleaning function of the MaxV Ultra allows it to clean the mop without your presence. It means fewer trips to the dock station to wipe the mop. Mobile control and voice commands. Both of these robots can be controlled with a smartphone app. The two robots are controlled with the same application from Roborock. You'll have entire control over your robot from the app, which can be handled remotely. The S7 MaxV Extreme, on the other hand, contains intriguing features of voice control. You can link the robot with your Amazon Alexa or Siri to control MaxV Ultra from the comfort of your couch. These are just some of the features that can be accessed using the app on the S7 MaxV, but they are not available on the S7 Plus. These handy features from the S7 MaxV make it more user-friendly, leaving us no option but to give it a win for this one. Which vacuum motor has the larger collection tank? The collecting bins of both vacuum robots are 400 milliliter in capacity. As a result, both vacuum cleaners function equally well in this situation. A bigger dustbin is advantageous since it reduces the frequency in which the dust chamber must be emptied. It should be noted, however, that both vacuum cleaners in the comparison include a suction station for self-draining. This means that while recharging, the dirt collecting bin of the Roborock S7 Plus and Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra is automatically emptied following the cleaning procedure. This implies that you'll have to empty the dust chambers of your vacuum cleaner less often. Round 6. Battery life. Let's talk about what power these two cleaners have. In terms of battery life, the Roborock S7 and S7 MaxV Ultra have a big 5200 mAh 5200 mAh lithium-ion battery with a 180-minute duration. Furthermore, both feature a maximum cleaning surface of up to 300 meters square, 250 m squared, and a recharge duration of up to 180 minutes. Both models have the same battery life of 3 hours. The greater the battery life, the longer the robot vacuum can clean without returning to its charging station. Longer battery life is always preferable if you have a large area to cover. As a result, neither the Roborock S7 MaxV Plus nor the Roborock S7 MaxV Ultra is the clear winner as far as the battery capacity is concerned. It's a tie for this one. So, the verdict. Following a feature comparison of the Roborock S7 Plus going for $650 and the S7 MaxV Ultra going for $860, we can confidently state that these robots are wonderful household companions capable of cleaning your home consistently and adequately. However, which model is best for you? It depends on the features you want to add to your smart home. So, if you live in a hectic environment with children and dogs, the S7 MaxV Ultra, with a superior navigation system and improved cleaning capabilities, is a great fit that is worth the extra buck. However, for the average user that looks for a high-quality robot vacuum that does a good job of cleaning and wishes to save the extra money, the Roborock S7 Plus is probably a better choice. And this brings us to the end of the video. Let us know in the comment section below which of these two robot vacuum cleaners you plan to get and why. Or which one do you have and what is your overall experience with it? Don't forget to hit the sub and like button. I'll catch you in the next one. Adios.